Hey, Mr. G, and I'm going to show you the A note on the guitar across the fretboard on all 6 strings. Now, my guitar has 20 frets on it. Your guitar might have a few more. But in this scenario, I'm going to show you the A note within this guitar on this fretboard. So, first things first, listen, if you're learning the guitar, it's so important to memorize your notes across the fretboard. It's going to really help out with your playing, in your music theory, and your understanding of the guitar. So let's break down this A note. The first A note we have here is on the 1st string, 5th fret. Then the next A note we have is on the 17th fret of the 1st string. And then if we come here to the 2nd string, we're going to find an A note on the 10th fret. If we go to the 3rd string, 2nd fret, we'll find an A note there. Then if I slide up here to the 3rd string, 14th fret, we'll find an A note there. Then on the 4th string, 7th fret, we have an A note there. Then if we slide that up to the 4th string, 19th fret, we have an A note there. And then on the 5th string, that open note is just an A note. And then on the 5th string, if you go to the 12th fret, that is also an A. Then on the 6th string, 5th fret, that is an A too. If you slide up onto the 17th fret on the 5th string, that's an A. And hey man, that's your A across the fretboard. Learn those notes, get familiar with them, practice them, and keep on jamming.